Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to talk about the audio of issues inside the Toyota Prado 150 series Altitude VX and Kakadu generation 2009-2013, which is one of the very famous issues that many of the owner has. And this car actually has been using the similar setup like between Altitude VX and Kakadu, the infotainment and entertainment. Now you will have the components like this way. You have the DVD and starter module under the passenger seat. You have CD player, AM, FM radio module here, center console. You have LCD screen. You have factory amplifier under the driver's seat, and you probably also will have the roof LCD DVD player screen over there, which can be controlled from the screen here and also be controlled from the remote control. So in order for the sound system work in this car model, all those components need to be work and connected. And in this case, this Altitude 2012 actually has the problem with the audio up and there's no sound at all. But you still can use the screen, you see the map and some other thing. You can still do diagnosis by yourself or see other information. So at first, let's turn it on and we will try to get into the diagnosis screen from the factory, and hopefully we can see something and then we can make some conclusion over that. So you see that we still can go into the map and we still can turn the light on and off, and you see the light still turn on from the bottom section CD player or the top screen, but you actually cannot start it. The power button here, normally you can turn it on or off and try to turn the volume, but now this one cannot respond, and the steering wheel control here doesn't respond as well. So basically you have no sound and no AM FM CD player over here. You press the audio button and it say audio off, and you press AM FM, nothing else. The USB grays out, so it means the USB is not working 100%. Now we want to come into the diagnosis screen, and Toyota design is a very simple way to go in. You keep holding this info button, press and holding it, and at the same time you turn the headlight 3 times. Okay, so let's put my camera on the side and you will hear I'm clicking the headlight switch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn on and off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it even not turn on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. So the trick here is that you need to turn the headlight off completely first, and then you turn the headlight on just the first level of the parking light. Okay, not need to go full to the headlight. So turn one step to the parking light and backward, one backward, so 3 times, and turn off the light, and then it comes into the value in service menu screen like this. Remember, you need to press and hold the info button while you actually turn on the headlight. Now you can go into the value diagnosis screen and try to check it and see what it can tell you from here. It says that navigation version is 3361 and the disk version is V111010. Okay, that's some information, and make sure that those information belonging to each car. Now we click on the system check and it will try to do the quick check over here, and on the screen you can see that it's a EMVN MOS is the problem. AM amplifier audio and RSA, seems like there's some problem there. It doesn't say any okay on that, so 1, 2, 3 problem. And the camera seems okay. USB box not working. So at first we try to click in the MOS and see what it actually say over here. It will take a little bit time to go into this, and now it's a EMVN okay. It's a amplifier okay, it say audio okay, and it say SE not connected. Okay, so what that means is here it says, well, you know, the main component on the driver seat, passenger seat seems okay, we turned on the setup, yes. Now it say amplifier okay, means that amplifier connected, okay. Now they say audio okay, I'm confused because actually the audio doesn't work and audio is off, but the system still say audio okay. How come it can be that? Anyway, RSA standing for the roof LCD over here, okay, and it say the roof LCD not connected, okay. So basically from the diagnosis screen here, it can tell you some information, but you have to rely on your own check as well. And in this case, I want to tell that, okay, we need to check further because we see that the CD player AM FM radio here doesn't work, but on the screen it say something like it works. Okay, I want to come back and I want to see USB box here, and the USB box memory, okay, so it says USB has something problem. So at least the CD player has the connection to the USB and the aux. So actually that is the problem here. And now with this thing from the screen, from the diagnosis, it seems like it's trying to tell that there's only two problems, which is the USB and the roof LCD. But in this case, we don't have audio and we actually have something wrong with this unit, the CD player, DVD player. All right, so we want to come back and we actually want to come back and see the function here. Okay, so we don't need to worry much about this. Now we want to come back to the menu and go into the destination. Okay, so I will have to perform the other way to get out of this one. Now just turn it off and we'll turn it back on later. So talk about the reason. We already tried to test all the fields on this. The field seems okay, so there's no field related, and we already pull out the bottom CD player here. We see that all the connection connect at the place, so there seems no cracking, no broken lines. And now based on what it turns on like this, we actually can tell, following the order, okay, following the order, that the main first component under the passenger seat, it is working. Okay, now that working, so it will show the map here, so the top LCD screen is working. The problem now here will stay on the CD player, DVD player over here first, okay, and it might also relating to the roof LCD and the amplifier. So those three components are the issue at this moment. And yeah, that's the reason why the car is here with us today, and we actually are looking to upgrade, custom build the whole system up with a new setup of the new screen as normally we fit for Kakadu on MPX Altitude, and also we will fit in the dual Pioneer D-class amplifier under the driver's seat. So we will recover or most of the old main function here, and we also upgrade the new camera as well. And we're looking to see you in another video review of the work in this car. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully this will help you to answer why your audio of reason show something differently. It might show differently in your car, but it has the same result that you have no sound. This absolutely doesn't respond. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.